Hello, today we are going to demonstrate our DC double chamber 400 from Swallow Flying Company. Let's get started. First we turn on the power and let's go to control panel. Working time, we use 17 or 18 seconds. Usually you can also choose 20 seconds. It depends on your product. And next we go to sealing. Sealing time is usually 2 seconds or 1.9 is also okay. And here we go to temperature, sealing temperature, and you can use low, middle, high. We usually use low here. You can also choose middle. That's all. There we have some spare parts. Today we are going to perfect. No air inside. No air inside.